Hi students, 6th class 4th chapter sorting materials into groups. Already we discussed. Sorting materials means separating materials into groups. In this particular chapter, now we are going to discuss about soft materials and hard materials. Okay, what are soft materials, what are hard materials? Okay, some materials are there, those cannot be compressed, those are very hard to compress. For example, you take iron objects, iron materials. When we press iron materials cannot be compressed. Okay, those are very hard to compress. The materials which are hard to compress are called as hard materials. The materials which cannot be compressed are called as hard materials. For example, iron. Some materials are there, those are compressed easily. For example, you take duster, sponge is there, sponge. If we press sponge like this, immediately sponge can be compressed. Otherwise, you take cotton. If we press cotton also, cotton can be compressed easily. Cotton is compressed easily and sponge is compressed easily. Okay, so the materials which are compressed easily are called as soft materials. For example, cotton, sponge. Cotton, sponge are very easily compressed. Okay, here you see, you take duster, here sponge is there. When we press like this, immediately it can be compressed easily, it can be compressed. Okay, so that's why the materials which are compressed easily are called as soft materials. For example, sponge and cotton. The materials which cannot be compressed, which are hard to compress, are called as hard materials. Okay students, so which are called as hard materials? For example, you see iron. Iron is called as hard material. Okay, so here some materials are hard to compress, so that's iron is hard to compress, these are called as hard materials. Some materials are compressed easily, for example sponge and cotton, those are called as soft materials. Okay, so in this topic we have separated which are soft materials and which are hard materials. Okay.